My favorite blender for everyday use is this one right here, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender. It's compact but powerful with a razor-sharp zwilling blade. It's super easy to clean because it's dishwasher safe. It comes with a travel lid, and you can also order a vacuum seal lid that's compatible with the ZWILLING Fresh and Safe system. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite fruit smoothies. I pre-prep my fruit in the blender and use the Fresh and Safe vacuum lid to keep my ingredients fresh and prevent freezer burn. Now let's unseal the vacuum. I'm going to add some milk. I've got some ground cinnamon, and I'm going to grind some fresh green cardamom. I'm going to give it all a quick blend. And that's it. Look how smooth and creamy this turned out. Now I'm going to add the travel lid on top and taste my smoothie. This smoothie is sweet, it's creamy and delicious, and I can smell the spices, the cinnamon, and the cardamom, and I can take it on the go with me. One of my favorite features about this blender is that the jar can go straight into the dishwasher and get cleaned. So are you ready to up your blender game? To learn more about the personal blender and other ZWILLING products, go to zwilling.com.